Here I have SONY Xperia Z3, and let me show you how to insert here the micro SD and Nano SIM card. So at the very beginning, let's start by pressing the power key. Keep holding power button, let's choose power off and wait until your device will be completely switched off. Afterwards, when your phone is black, let's open the protection located right here at the left edge of the device. Let's open the protection by using your nail finger right here. And here you can insert the Nano SIM. So let's remove the tray for Nano SIM right here. Here I have the tray. Let's put here the Nano SIM with the characteristic edge right here. And let's press it to the end. Alright, now let's insert the micro SD. Here I have micro SD with the characteristic edge right here, and put this card in that position. Let's push it to the end, and now let's close the protection. Let's press power key to switch on your SONY Xperia. The device is turning on. Let's wait a couple of seconds. Excellent, now let's make sure that both cards works properly. So let me unlock the screen, tap apps icon. Here you have to find and select the settings. So here I have the settings. From the list of settings, let's scroll down and choose storage. As you can see, the device is reading our SD card. You may also observe that the device is connected to your mobile network, so it means that your SIM card is also working properly, so you can go back and start using your device. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave thumbs up under the video.